Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here topic number 11, time. Topic number 11, time. See, here is one clock. You call this one clock. There are two hands. Short hand show you our hand. Short hand show you our hand, and long hand show you minute hand. Long hand show you minute hand. Okay, see here in this clock, small hand is on 4 and big hand is on 12. Where is pointing that one? Big hand pointing 12 and small hand pointing 4. What you call this one? 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. In one day, how many hours are there? 12 hours. But in this clock, how many show numbers? 12. 12 means they rounding there 2 times. Means when you afternoon 12 o'clock, write there PM, and before afternoon 12 you write there AM. Okay, midnight to afternoon 12 you call that AM, and afternoon 12 to midnight 12 you call that one PM. Okay, this one is a, how do we say this one 4 o'clock? When big hand on 12, and small hand which time show, you call that time is there. Okay, big there, here small hand show 4, so you call that one 4 o'clock. Small hand show the hour time and big hand show the minutes time. Here 4 minutes, 4 hour. Okay, 4 o'clock is there. That time what you say 3 minutes, 3 o'clock 60 minutes, it is wrong. When 60 minutes completed, that time 1 hour completed. Means when big hand on 12, that time you call that o'clock. Where is the small hand now? That o'clock. Okay, see here, I show you. Here I want here 3 o'clock. You show here 3 o'clock, how to time? Small hand on 3 and big hand on 12. And where is the middle point? In the middle. Where is the joint there? In the middle. Okay, in the middle of clock. Understand? Here time, which time is here? 3 o'clock. How to write? 3 o'clock. Okay, now show me here 4 o'clock. Where went the small hand? See, here is a 4 o'clock. Open the page number 82, exercise. Read and write time. 1 has been done. Okay, see here. Where is the small hand? 5. And where is the big hand? On 12. How much time here? 5 o'clock. Right there, 5 o'clock. And how to write in numbers? 5 ... 0 0. All of you understand? Second one, where is the small hand? On 1. And where is the big hand? On 12. How much time is there? 1 o'clock. Right there, 1 o'clock. 1 ... 0 0. Next one, small hand is there on 9, big hand on 12. Right there, how much time is there? 9 o'clock. Right there, 9 dot dot 0 0. D1 is your homework. Next one, what question is there? Draw the minute and hour hand. Show the time in the whole hour. Show whole hour. I get up in the morning. When you get up in the morning? 7 o'clock. Okay, where is a small hand on 7 and big hand where you want? On 12, na? So show there on 12. Next one, I go to school. I go to school 9 o'clock. Small hand on 9 and big hand on where you show? On 12. Correct. I do my homework. When you do the homework, that one show. And I go to bed. When you sleep, that one also you show. Okay, this is your homework. Next one, half past. Half past. Half past means the hour hand moves slowly one round 12 hours. Correct? The hour hand moves slowly. It completes one round and 12 hours. The minute hand move faster. This one minute hand move fast. It complete one round in 1 hour. Means 1 round means how many minutes are there? 60 minutes. See, 12 to 1, 5 minutes. 1 to 2, 10 minutes. You count their 5 table with the 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, 5 elevens are 55 and 5 twelves are 60. All of you understand? Now see here, small hand on 4, big hand on 12. What time is there? How much time is there? 4 o'clock. See here, in the middle 4 and 5, small hand is there in the middle of 4 and 5. And where is the big hand? On 6, na? Minutes hand on 6. And our hand is a between of 4 and 5. You call that one half past 4. Half past 4. Okay. See here. How to show the time half past? Okay. We want here 3:30. 3:30 means, see, 3:30, where is 3? You want their small hand on 3 and 4. You want their small hand on in between 3 and 4. And where you want 30 minutes, where you completed? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30. Means right here, show here big hand on 6. And how to write in words? Half past 3. Half past 3. All of you understand? See, open your textbook, page number 83. What time is it? See here, 2 and 3. In between 2 and 3, small hand is there. And where is the big hand? On 6. Big hand on 6. Means it is a half past. Which number? 2, na? First one number you write. In between 2 and 3. First number which? 2, na? That one also write. And how to write in numbers? 2 dot dot 30. 2 30. It is a half past. Where is the small hand? 8 and 9. Which is the small number? 8, na? So So write there 8. Which is the first coming in the table? 8. So write there 8. And how much time is there? 8:30. When big hand on 6, write there 30 minutes. Next one, it is a 1/2. Where is the small hand? 10 and 11. In between 10 and 11, write there smallest number 10. It is a 1/2 10. And how to write in word numbers? 10, 30. D1 is your homework. Next one, draw the minute and hour hand, show the time. 5:30, 5:30. Where you show the time? Small hand where you show? In between 5 and 6. Correct. And where is the big hand show? On 6. Next one, 7:30 means 7:30. Where you show the small hand? In between of 7 and 8. And where show the big hand? On 6. 7. 9:30. 9:30. 9:30. Where you draw the small hand? In between 9 and 10. And big hand on 6. Big hand on 6. How much time is this one? 9:30. D1 is your homework. Okay, student? Thank you.